Okay, here we are. We've got the image set up and the text on the right set up, but now I need to deal with this menu bar. I don't like the way that menu looks, and so I want to try to fix that. And the way we're going to do that, we're going to go to the theme settings and make some adjustments to the theme settings, and we'll go ahead and look at some other things while we're in here. This custom feeds, if you were using something like FeedBurner, you could automatically redirect your feeds from this box. And then you've got this layout box where you can change the layout of your page. You see there the default layout is the sidebar on the right, but we can change that if we want to and put the sidebar over on the left, for example. Just save that and then go back and look at that page and see how it looks with the sidebar on the left. We'll go try out some of the others. You can have two sidebars. So you see there the way that's laid out. This sidebar, content sidebar, is kind of a newspaper layout where you've got the content in the middle of the page with stuff down both sides. And it could be very versatile depending on what you're trying to do with your pages, and you would just plug in whatever you wanted in there in the widgets section with the primary and secondary widget areas. Or you can have no sidebars at all. I like the default layout with the sidebar on the right, so I'm going to put it back to the default. This header settings has two options, dynamic text or image logo. If you had an image logo you wanted to use in that header section instead of your blog name and subtitle, you could change it there. The navigation settings is what I'm looking for. I already know the primary navigation menu is that bar across the top of the image there, and I don't like that, so I'm just going to uncheck that and get rid of it. And there's settings for the breadcrumb, another way of navigating your site. You can turn the comments on and off site-wide here, and some adjustments there for your archive pages, blog page. And if you're a programmer and you want some scripts included in your site here, you can put those header scripts and footer scripts in here. We'll just save that and then go back and see what that did to our menu problem. With the text, you can click, whether it's an image or text, either one, you can click on it for the home page, and you see the menu is gone. And that looks better. I like that better, but we still need a menu. So we're going to go to the widget section. So we're going to grab this custom menu widget and drop it in the header right. Select the main menu for the menu that we want displayed there, and that puts it up here to the right of the header, which looks a lot better than it did across the top of the image there. Let's go look at the menu settings. In your menu, you can have categories, pages, and custom links. And even if you wanted to have tags in your menu, you could use the custom links there to just put in the link to your tag. this navigation label is where you would change the label of the menu item from just the page name. So you don't have to have the page name there for your menu button. You can change that, and so we'll update that and see how it looks. So now we've got our home button, menu page number 1, and category page number 1. So instead of saying sample page, now we've changed it from instead of having uncategorized there, we've changed it to categories page 1. So the menu is very versatile, and I like the way that looks a whole lot better than that menu bar we had before. So there's our menu, and we're ready for the next step.